Scope's paired texts are one of our most popular features. In each issue, you will find a group of 2 to 3 engaging texts related by theme or topic. Our lesson plan is a step-by-step guide for using these fascinating text sets to build your students' synthesizing skills. We also provide activity sheets for synthesizing, as well as drawing conclusions, applying knowledge, using text evidence, and other key skills. Powerful differentiation tools include audio read-alouds and activity sheets on 2 levels. Be sure to have students respond to the writing prompt, which requires them to draw on all the texts they've read. You and your students will be dazzled by our show-stopping paired text feature.